shut up.
Right. And what other words are you not supposed to say?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do. You just said it.
D-bag and shut up.
Right. What are you supposed to say instead of shut up?
Be quiet.
Be quiet, please.
Be quiet, please.
Right. Because
I
shut
don't
up's
put-
not nice to say.
I don't supposed to say D-bag and shut up.
Right. Right. Because they're not nice words.
No.
No.
They're bad words.
Yes. They are bad words.
They're bad words to say.
Yep. Yep.
You don't supposed to say shut up and D-bag.
That's right. Yeah, and you're not supposed to say them either, right? Right. Okay. You did good.
Yep. Can we read this in the book?
Sure.
Okay. Put it in.